Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna make Dalgona coffee. So, so first step is to get one spoon of instant coffee. Doesn't matter what kind of coffee you use, as long as it's instant. Just put that away for a second. Yeah, right now I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Okay. Next, I'm gonna get wa- two two tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use any kind of sugar, but I'm using brown sugar. Okay, next we need 2 tablespoons of hot or warm water. Okay. Next. Okay, next I'm gonna mix it with this. Yeah, every once in a while you can check like that. Okay, so after like I don't know 12 minutes of mixing, yeah, that took a very long while. 12 minutes of mixing from the start. That is, it should look like this, and the color changed. Oh yeah, fun fact. If you use brown sugar, the color will be darker. If you use light sugar, of course, I mean white sugar, of course the color would be brighter or lighter, whatever. The consistency should be very thick. Yeah, thick. It should be very hard for it to drop. Say this much. Yeah, okay. And I just got help from my dad because like this took so long. You could also use a mixer that would take long. That would take a very shorter time. But I'm gonna use a strainer today. All right, moving on to the next step. So next, I'm gonna get some ice cubes. Say, I know, 4 ice cubes, and then I'm gonna pour some milk. Oops, I dropped it. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the Dalgona coffee. Just do this. That. Dad, can you shut the camera off? It's not even shown, no. It's not even shown, Eric. Okay, so this is my Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee. And if you'd like to, you can just add a bit more sugar. Or like sprinkle some sugar on top. Yep. Now it looks like this. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. And comment down Dalgona coffee if you like this kind of coffee. Alright, bye.